10 signs that indicate you are doing well financially. Financial wellness isn't only about having a lot of money in the bank. It's about feeling safe and in charge of your money. It's about knowing you can weather unforeseen storms and attain your long-term objectives. So if you're wondering if you're financially fit, keep watching. We'll investigate 10 signals that suggest you're doing well financially. Number 1. You have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is normally 3 to 6 months' worth of living costs that you may draw into if you have an unforeseen need, such as a vehicle repair or medical bill. Having an emergency fund might help you avoid getting into debt or having to liquidate assets to pay for unforeseen needs. It offers an essential financial safety net, enabling peace of mind and the capacity to weather life's unexpected storms without derailing your long-term financial ambitions. The emergency fund functions as a buffer, insulating you from the ripple effects of anticipated occurrences that may otherwise plunge you into a cycle of debt or drive you to sell investments or other assets at inconvenient periods. By having an immediately accessible pool of assets, you may maneuver through short setbacks, such as job loss, natural catastrophes, or substantial medical bills, without sacrificing your financial security or risking your long-term objectives. Number 2. You are not living paycheck to paycheck. If you are able to meet your monthly bills and still have money left over at the end of the month, you are in a strong financial situation. This additional money may be used to save for your objectives, such as a down payment on a home or a retirement nest fund. Living without the continuous worry of making ends meet is a big accomplishment that delivers a feeling of financial independence and flexibility. When you're not living paycheck to paycheck, you have the luxury of devoting your discretionary cash toward creating your future. Whether it's contributing to a retirement account, saving for a house purchase, or investing in education or personal development opportunities, the excess money may be wisely utilized to attain your desired objectives. This financial breathing space enables you to proactively plan and work towards your long-term ambitions, rather than being trapped in a cycle of just meeting urgent needs. Number 3. You have modest debt. Keeping your debt levels low is vital for keeping good personal finances. Ideally, you want to maintain your debt-to-income ratio below 36%. This ratio reflects the proportion of your total monthly income that goes towards paying off debts, including credit card bills, school loans, vehicle loans, and mortgage payments. Having a low debt-to-income ratio has various benefits. First, it frees up more of your money to put towards savings, investments, and other financial goals. Second, it minimizes the amount of interest you pay over time, which may save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Third, it enhances your credit score, making it simpler to acquire favorable interest rates on future loans or credit cards. Keeping your debt-to-income ratio under control not only frees up more of your income for savings and investments, but also improves your credit score, making it easier to obtain favorable terms on loans and credit in the future. Number 4. You are consistent with your savings. Consistency is crucial when it comes to developing a sound financial foundation. Even if you can only save a modest amount each month, the main thing is to build a consistent savings habit. Over time, even tiny donations may compound and accumulate into a large sum. The power of compounding interest cannot be emphasized. By continuously saving away even small quantities, you may take advantage of this strong financial concept. As your savings gain interest, that money is then reinvested, making even greater returns. This cycle repeats itself, enabling your funds to expand dramatically over time. To create consistency in your savings, try automating the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a designated savings or investing account each month. This way, you'll never forget to save, and the money will be out of sight and out of mind, lessening the desire to spend it. Number 5. You are not worried about losing your work. Job security is a key issue for many people since losing a main source of income may have disastrous financial effects. However, if you have a good emergency fund and a low debt-to-income ratio, you need not be excessively anxious about losing your job. An emergency fund is a necessary safety net that may give financial stability during times of unemployment or unforeseen costs. It is typically suggested to have enough money to cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living costs. With this cushion in place, you can maintain your level of life while actively seeking a new career without having to worry about making ends meet. By having a solid emergency fund, keeping debt levels low, and constantly saving, you may build a feeling of financial stability and peace of mind, even in the face of job loss or other anticipated setbacks. Number 6, you have an investing portfolio. Building an investing portfolio is a vital step in obtaining long-term financial stability and building your wealth. Investing enables you to leverage the power of compound growth, putting your money to work for you over time. Even if you can only invest a modest amount each month, the compounding effect may lead to large benefits in the long term. Diversification is crucial when establishing an investing portfolio. By diversifying your assets over numerous asset classes, such as equities, bonds, real estate, and commodities, you may limit risk and gain on different market cycles. This diversification technique helps to safeguard your portfolio from the volatility of any particular investment or industry. Conversely, if you're approaching retirement, a more cautious strategy with a higher focus on fixed income assets may be acceptable. Number 7, you have multiple revenue sources. Relying primarily on a single source of income might leave you exposed to financial shocks and failures. By diversifying your revenue sources, you may develop a more solid financial foundation and better weather economic changes or job losses. There are several methods to produce extra income streams, such as launching a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or investigating passive income alternatives like affiliate marketing or internet enterprises. Having several income sources not only offers a safety net, but also opens up the potential for wealth building. As you create revenue from multiple sources, you may allocate cash towards different financial objectives, such as paying off debt, establishing an emergency fund, or saving for the future. Number 8, you are saving for retirement. Retirement planning is a vital component of financial well-being, and the sooner you start saving, the better. The strength of compound interest implies that even small contributions made early in your career may increase dramatically over time, creating a comfortable nest egg for your elderly years. There are several retirement savings vehicles to select from, each with its pros and concerns. Company-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401ks or 403bs, generally provide tax advantages and may include company matching payments. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs, give alternative retirement savings choices with variable contribution limits and income criteria. Number 9, you have enough insurance coverage. Unexpected catastrophes, such as accidents, diseases, or natural disasters, may have terrible financial effects if you're not adequately insured. Adequate insurance coverage acts as a safety net, protecting you and your loved ones from substantial monetary losses. Health insurance is vital for paying medical bills and assuring access to excellent treatment. Auto insurance is legally needed in most jurisdictions and may safeguard you from responsibility in case of accidents or vehicle damage. Homeowners or renters insurance defends your property and goods against theft, fire, or other insured dangers. Number 10, you have financial peace of mind. Financial peace of mind is the ultimate objective of excellent financial management. It is the sense of comfort and confidence that comes from knowing you are on pace to reach your financial goals and are prepared for unanticipated setbacks. Achieving financial peace of mind needs a comprehensive strategy that incorporates all facets of your financial life. It requires having a clear grasp of your income, spending, and economic commitments, as well as a well-defined budget and savings strategy. It also means having an emergency fund in place to withstand unforeseen bills or short setbacks. By applying basic financial habits such as budgeting, saving, investing, and risk management, you may create a feeling of control over your money and enjoy the freedom and security that comes with financial peace of mind. Make sure you like and subscribe to get more financial tips. Until next time, thanks for watching.